大家好, welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. We are at vocabulary development section and our target is HSK level 1. We are at day 13. Let's get a quick review in last 12 days what we have studied. Day 1. 我们你们他们这那 Day 2. 家爸爸妈妈哥哥弟弟姐姐妹妹男朋友女朋友 Day 3. 儿子女儿漂亮老公老婆老班老师认识 Day 4. 先生小姐医生医院学生学校学习同学人 Day 5. 大小狗小猫很好不太好有没有爱 Day 6. 开来去读看听说吃饭睡觉 Day 7. 书电影电视电脑电话杯子桌子椅子东西 Day 8. 商店饭店书店水果店出租车打电话名字钱衣服 Day 9. 水果苹果米饭菜茶喜欢多少 Day 10. 天气日冷下雨上午中午下午分钟时候 Day 11. 天今天明天昨天现在年月号星期 Day 12. 写字工作住在前面后面上面下面里面 And now Day 13. Let's see today's first word, that is 多少. We have already studied this word. 多 and 少 separately we have already covered up. But today, together, 多少 that means how much. Number 2. 什么什么means what. Number 3. 谁 sometimes this word is also spoken like 谁 or 谁 means who. 你是谁 Who are you? Okay, number 4. 怎么 means how. Number 5. 怎么样 How about When you want someone's opinion, you ask 怎么样？今天的饭怎么样？ Today's meal, how about that? You like it or not? Anyways, number 6. 哪儿？哪儿？哪儿 means where. Remember that when you go towards Beijing, you mostly hear the 二货. You listen more 二 in the language. But if you go areas down to Shanghai towards the south side like Ningbo, Zhejiang, Cixi, these areas, normally they used to say 哪里 哪里. So 哪里 and 哪儿 is same. 哪儿 or 哪里 is same. That means where. Number 7. 几岁几岁. 几 means how many and 岁 means years of age. So 几岁 means how old. 你几岁了? What is your age? 你几岁了? Okay, number 8. 几点几点几点 几 means how much, how many. 点 means hours. Hours by the clock. So 几点 means when, at what time, at what o'clock. 几点 when. Finally, the last word is 吗 吗 Ma is question particle and it is used where we use question mark in English. If we put ma at the end of an assertive sentence, it becomes a question sentence. This is all from today's vocabulary. I hope you guys like this. Please like and share this video with others as well. We'll see you guys on day 14. Till then, 再见.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.